Hello guys, this is Rom Tech. Today I'll show you how to add a pop-up calendar in Google Sheets. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me and show you how to do it. Okay, let's go. And first, open Google Sheets and create new project, or open your old project. Alright, open project and write data. Okay, and simple settings, and right background color, and select this or this or this. No, okay, and select this, double click and write months slash write day and slash write years 2025 and press enter. Alright, and check, double click and open this menu and click on today and select today days, or select your days, maybe this. Alright, and simple settings text. Alright, background color this. Alright, and that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.